It is indeed 3 a.m., and this is a list of UFO religions. UFO religions are groups which deal with alleged communication between humans and extraterrestrial beings. Forms of communication include telepathy and astral projection. Groups often believe that humanity can be saved after being educated by the aliens as to how to improve society. Alien, abdu- alien abduction belief can lead to formation of a UFO religion. Wait, is it UFO? Not UFO. UFO, okay. I am religious activity, founded in 1930 by Guy Ballard, is seen, according to one author, as the first UFO religion. Though Aetherius Society, founded by George King, has also been given this distinction. Scholars identify the 1947 Roswell UFO incident as a key event within the history of UFO spirituality. Melody Campbell and Stephen A. Kent describe Heaven's Gate and Order of the Solar Temple as among the most controversial of the UFO belief groups. Scientology is seen by scholars as a UFO religion due to its xenocosmogony and the presence of space opera in Scientology doctrine. Background: UFO religions generally deal with belief in communication with extraterrestrial beings. Stephen Hahn writes in Alternative Religions: A Sociological Introduction. One form of quasi-religion that perhaps borders on a more orthodox form of religiosity is that of the Flying Saucer cults. In these groups, individuals believe that communication between aliens and humans can take the form of physical contact, telepathy, and astral projection. Typically, the groups believe that humanity will be saved by the aliens when humans are educated as to a better way to live life. Some of the groups believe that aliens will come to take those that believe to a more positive location. Often the extraterrestrial beings are seen to plead with humanity to improve itself and to move away from a society of greed and violence. UFO religions place an emphasis on spiritual growth and the evolution of humanity. A UFO religion can be formed before or after an individual claims to have experienced an alien abduction and been taken aboard a spacecraft. Christopher Hughes Partridge writes in UFO Religions that J. Gordon Melton identifies the first UFO religion as the group I Am Activity, founded by Guy Ballard. Partridge says it can be seen as the obvious theosophical forerunner to UFO religions such as the Aetherius Society, and to the talk of UFO religionists such as George Adamski, but views it not as a UFO religion but as a theosophical religion. Partridge notes that within UFO religions, there is a belief that the supreme being or evolved entity did not ascend from Earth, but instead came from another plane of another planet and descended to Earth. While the vast majority of factions affiliated with IM reject UFOs as unimportant, some modern-day ascended master teachings teachers such as Joshua David Stone mention UFOs. Partridge describes the 1947 Roswell UFO incident as a key point in time within UFO spirituality, commenting, Roswell is now firmly established as what might be described as a key ufological spiritual site, and James R. Lewis also calls attention to this event in this book, The Gods Have Landed, noting that it is seen by ufologists as the date of the emergence of UFOs into the public consciousness. Partridge places UFO religion within the context of theosophical esotericism, and asserts that it began to be associated as UFO religion after the 1947 incident at Roswell, New Mexico. According to Partridge, most UFO religions still have many of the key points associated with theosophy, such as belief in the same spiritual hierarchy, and he also draws parallels to New Age thought. He notes that within the thought processes of UFO religions after 1947, many of these groups maintain beliefs that extraterrestrial beings were herald of a new era. Hunt describes the Aetherius Society founded by George King in 1955 as probably the first and certainly the most enduring UFO cult. He places the Aetherius Society and Raelism among the most renowned of the flying saucer cults. Writing in Encyclopedia of Religion and Society, contributors Melody Campbell and Stephen A. Kent place the Aetherius Society and Unarius as among the oldest and most studied of the flying saucer cults. They describe groups Heaven's Gate and Order of the Solar Temple as the most controversial groups combining UFO belief with variations of contactee assertions. Gregory L. Reese classes Scientology as a UFO group in his book UFO Religion Inside Flying Saucer Cults and Culture, and discusses elements of the Xenu cosmogony and space opera in Scientology doctrine. He compares Scientology to the Aetherius Society and to Astar Command, writing, while it bears strong similarities to the Astar Command or the Aetherius Society, it emphasizes upon the Xenu event as the central message of the group seems to place them within the ancient astronaut tradition. Either way, Scientology is perhaps most different from other UFO groups in their attempt to keep all of the space opera stuff under wraps. A similar comparison is made in New Religions, a guide which describes the Xenu mythology as a basic ancient astronaut myth. Author Victoria Nelson writes in The Secret Life of Puppets that the most prominent current UFO religion is probably the science fiction writer L. Ron Hubbard's Church of Scientology. And that is for the background, and now we finally got into the list. Okay, The Seekers, aka Brotherhood of the Seven Rays, founded by Charles Lovehead, aka Dr. Armstrong, or Dorothy Martin, aka Marian Cage, in 1953. Aetherius Society, founded by George King in 1955. Freie Interessensgemeinschaftsvereins und Geisteswissenschaften und Ufologiestudien, FIGU, by Billy Mayer, 1975. Astar Galactic Command, Thelma B. Terrill, aka Tuela, in 1977. Chen Tao, by Hon Ming Chen, in 1995. Cosmic Circle of Fellowship, by William A. Ferguson, in 1955. Fiat Lux, by Uriel, in 1980. Ground Crew Project, by Unknown, in 1980s. Heaven's Gate, by Marshall Applewhite and Bonnie Nettles, in 1970s. Industrial Church of the New World Comforter, by Alan Michael, in 1973. Mark H, by Charles Boyd Genzel and Pauline Sharp, in 1962. Nation of Islam, by Wallace Fard Muhammad, in 1930. Nuwaubianism, by Dwight York in 1970s. Order of the Solar Temple by Joseph D. Mambro and Luc Jouret in 1984. Realism by Claude Vorilhon in 1974. Scientology by L. Ron Hubbard in 1952. Unarius by Ernest Norman and Ruth Norman in 1954. Universe People by Ivo E. Benda, 1997. Urantia Movement by Spiritual Entities in 1924 at the earliest and 1955 at the latest. Church of the Subgenius by Ivan Stang and Philo U. Drummond, 1970s. Training Center for Release of the Atma Energy by Heide Vithout Garte in 1994.